Hello viewers, I hope you all are doing great. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about ESP32 and how to compile and upload a program into ESP32 board. ESP32 is a series of system-on-chip microcontrollers which has been developed by Espressif Systems. It is the successor of ESP8266 with lots of new features like better processing speed, more number of GPIOs, peripherals, memory, and a lot more. This is the ESP32 development board where you can see a metallic part. This is the core of the board. Here is the antenna for wireless connectivity. On both the side of the board there are GPIOs. This enable pin is used to reset the board. A USB port to upload a program into ESP32 board. This IC CP2102 is used to enable USB programming in ESP32 development board. This is the boot button. Both enable and boot pins are pressed together to reboot the board. ESP32 offers two processing cores. It also offers Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE along with Wi-Fi and classic Bluetooth. In ESP32 there are more than 30 GPIOs available and maximum up to 38 GPIOs depending upon which development board you are using. There are some inbuilt sensors like Hall effect sensor and some capacitive touch sensor pins which are inbuilt in ESP32 board. ESP32 also offers some peripherals like UART, SPI, I2C and much more. Analog to digital converter and digital to analog converters are also available in ESP32. The GPIO pins of ESP32 are multifunctional, which means they can perform more than one task as per the instructions provided, but only one task at a time. For example, let us consider GPIO 27, where we can use this pin as a general purpose input-output or as ADC or for touch sensitive features. Similarly, most of the pins are multifunctional. Next comes the programming part. Although there are multiple development environments available for programming ESP32 board like Arduino IDE, MicroPython, Espressif IDE and JavaScript, but the most commonly used one is Arduino IDE. So in this tutorial we are using Arduino IDE to program the ESP32 board. Open the Arduino IDE. In order to make ESP32 development board and Arduino IDE compatible with each other, first task is downloading the ESP32 board in Arduino IDE. For that, go to Files, then Preferences. In Preferences, there is this additional board manager URL where we need to add a link to download the ESP32 board. Here you can see another link that is for ESP8266 and both the links are separated by a comma. After adding the link, click on OK. Go to Tools, then Board Manager. Wait for 2 or 3 seconds. Type ESP32 is ESP32 by Express system. I have already installed the board. You can click on install and wait till the installation is complete and then close the tab. Next task is to select the development board which you are using. Again go to tools, again board. I have already selected this board, do it ESP32 development kit V1, but for your reference I'm selecting the again. Here is the board. Click on the board. Now let's take an example. Go to files, examples, basics, and then blink. This is a simple example for LED blinking. First you need to compile the code. Click on verify. Once the compilation is done, next task is to upload the code. But before uploading the code, we need to select the communication port on which we are sharing the code. Go to tools and then this port. Let me connect the board first. I have connected the board. Again go to tools and then select the COM port. Here it is COM8. It is compiling the code. Now the compilation is done. Next we need to upload the code. Click on upload. This is the ESP32 development board where you can see the LED is blinking with a delay of 1 second. This concludes the tutorial. We hope you found this helpful and also hope to see you again with a new tutorial on ESP32. Till then, goodbye.